Welcome to the best picks. The best Santa footprints is probably one of the most enchanting ways to sprinkle some Christmas magic into your home. Imagine the delight on your children's faces when they wake up to discover Santa has visited, leaving behind a trail of footprints as proof. This simple yet effective decoration can transform your living space into a winter wonderland, creating lasting memories for the whole family. Number 5. Bubzi Co. Baby Handprint and Footprint Kit. Don't let the exhaustion of a new baby fade those precious memories. This keepsake frame captures their tiny handprints and footprints forever. It's a must-have for every newborn. Crafted with safe, non-toxic, and durable clay, this kit ensures a lasting finish. You can look back on those perfect prints for a lifetime. The quality is premium. Designed with you in mind, it's easy to capture prints, even with the tiniest fingers and toes. Simply press their hand or foot into the soft clay. You will cherish it forever. This kit includes everything you need: air-drying clay, a wooden frame, acrylic safety glass, tape, letter stamps, and instructions. It's perfect for your baby's nursery. This beautiful keepsake frame is a thoughtful baby shower gift. It's a meaningful present that new parents will love. It's a great way to celebrate the arrival of a new baby. What we like. This kit helps you capture your baby's tiny handprints and footprints, preserving those precious early moments forever. It's crafted with safe, non-toxic materials, ensuring it's perfect for your little one. If you're looking for a unique and meaningful gift for new parents, this is the perfect choice to create lasting memories. What people say. The kit is super easy to use, and the final result looks adorable on display, a beautiful way to capture those tiny hands and feet forever. It's actually quite simple to complete, and the results were picture perfect. Easy to follow instructions, frame is nice. Would highly recommend to keep feet handprints. Number 4. Santa Footprints 180 CD Floor Stickers Kit. Get ready for Christmas with this amazing kit. It includes everything you need to create magical footprints. Simply peel and stick these decals. It eliminates the need for messy stencils and powdered snow. This kit includes a total of 180 decals. You'll have plenty to decorate your home. The kit includes Santa's boot prints, elf footprints, and reindeer hoof tracks. They will bring the Christmas spirit. Also included are snowflake stickers. They add the perfect finishing touch, creating evidence that Santa was here. Please note that these stickers are not recommended for wood floors. They may remove the finish. What we like. This kit offers a simple peel and stick application, eliminating the mess of stencils and powders. It includes Santa's boot prints, elf footprints, and reindeer tracks, creating a complete Christmas scene. If you want to quickly and easily add some holiday magic to your home, this kit is the perfect way to bring Santa's visit to life. What people say. The decals are super cute and easy to apply. Even on our rug, they stayed put. Worked well to surprise my granddaughter both outside on concrete and inside on wood floor, no damage or residue. Looked great and I will buy again. Number 3. Juvale Black Vinyl Footprint Stickers, 32 pairs. These Juvale feet stickers bring style and organization to any environment. They enhance pathways in classrooms or dance studios, and are perfect for guiding foot traffic during holiday parties. These foot marker stickers improve spatial awareness. They are great for dance lessons, classroom activities, or parties. These dancing footsteps ensure a well-organized flow, especially for events. It's easy to peel and stick these floor decals. They offer durable and removable guidance. Their dependable construction ensures they maintain a long-lasting impression without damaging the surface. Each footprint measures 7.1 by 2.6 inches, providing clear guidance in any setting. These footstep stickers enhance directional flow, making them essential for both educational and recreational areas. The package includes 32 pairs of classroom feet floor stickers. This provides ample coverage for large areas. Organized on sheets, they simplify both application and storage, perfect for frequent use. What we like. These stickers bring both style and organization to any environment, enhancing pathways in classrooms or dance studios. They aid in improving spatial awareness during dance lessons or parties. If you are looking for a way to guide foot traffic and add a touch of fun to your space, these are a great choice. What people say. They stick well and are reusable if you store them well. They stayed in place really well even on the carpet and concrete steps. Worked perfectly. Was easy to remove and replace if I placed them incorrectly on the wall. Great product. Number 2. Roman Santa's Magic Snow Christmas Kit 3-piece set. Get ready for a magical Christmas with this kit. It includes everything you need to create a snowy wonderland. This set is perfect for holiday fun. This 3-piece set is designed to bring the Christmas spirit to your home. It's easy to use and provides hours of entertainment. You'll love the festive atmosphere it creates. With this kit, you can easily make your own snow. It's a fun and engaging activity for all ages. It's a great way to celebrate the holidays. The kit is made of paper, making it safe and easy to handle. It's a great way to add some holiday cheer to your home. This is a perfect gift for Christmas. This kit is the perfect addition to your Christmas decorations. It's a fun and easy way to celebrate the holiday season. It will bring joy to everyone. What we like. This kit offers a simple activity to create a festive atmosphere. If you are looking for a simple and fun way to add some holiday cheer, this is a great choice. What people say. This is so cute. My daughter was so surprised when she woke up to see Santa left some footprints when he dropped off her presents. Story is kind of corny, but the kit as a whole is great quality and fun. The book perfectly explains the snow, so when the kids see it and feel that it's warm and doesn't melt, they recognize that it's magical. There was no disappointment with this purchase at all. My 4-year-old loved the thought of Santa coming to the house but was even more geeked that Santa left his footprints in the magic snow after dropping off gifts and eating cookies. Very easy cleanup, not a hassle at all via broom or vacuum. My throw rug was not damaged, nor was the hardwood floors. Number 1. Santa Boot Print Stencil Christmas Decor. This stencil set lets you easily create Santa's footprints. It includes both left and right boot prints. It's a fun way to bring Christmas magic to your home. Made from reusable mylar plastic, it's simple to use. Just sprinkle flour or a similar substance over the stencil and lift it up. The results are fantastic. The stencil is easy to clean and store for future use. You can use it year after year to create the perfect Christmas scene. It's a great investment. It's a simple activity that adults and children can enjoy together. Watch the children's faces light up when they see that Santa has visited. It will ignite their imagination. You can create footprints all over the house if you want. This product will make your Christmas decorations extra special. It's the perfect way to add some holiday fun. What we like. This stencil is reusable, allowing you to create Santa's footprints year after year. It's incredibly easy to use, just sprinkle and lift. If you like a classic approach to holiday decorating and want to ignite the imagination of any small child, this stencil is perfect for you. What people say. The footprints were easy to apply and remove. The footprints were a fun and magical addition to our Christmas decorations. The kids loved following the footprints on Christmas morning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.